Hello everyone, today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
山
Watch my pronunciation.
山诗安山山大山大山远处有大山，远处有大山，山上山上山上有棵树，山上有棵树，山水山水中国的山水很美。中国的山水很美。
Let's see how to write this character. This character was created by ancient people, imitating the shape of mountains that are high in the middle and low on both sides. The original meaning of this character is high mountains and mountain ranges. In traditional Chinese culture, mountains represent steadiness, perseverance, calmness, and tolerance, and are the backbone of the earth. The stroke on the right should be a little higher than the one on the left. That's all for today. See you next class.